Good day. How are you? Doing good? Yes. So, yesterday we began our new story, right? What was our story's name? Fair play. Yes. So, before going to the next part of our story, sit straight, join your hands, close your eyes. Yes. Have a silent prayer for 2 minutes. Open your eyes. Yes. So, yesterday where did we stop? Part 1 we completed. So tell me, what is the story about? Two friends, Juman Sheikh and Algu Chowdhury. Okay, they were best friends. So, Juman had an old aunt who had some property. She gave it to Juman thinking that he will look after her for the rest of her life. But what happened unfortunately? For a couple of years, everything went smooth. After that, what happened? Some cracks started appearing in their life. Yes. Okay. Now, Juman's wife was not ready to look after this old aunt. Finally, the aunt went and complained to Juman. And what did he tell? My wife is the best. She knows how to look after the house. So aunt was very angry. She started telling about this incident to all her neighbors and she took a complaint to the village panchayat. Okay. So hearing to her complaints, some people sympathized, some laughed at her, some others advised her to speak about it to Juman. Finally, she went to Algu Chowdhury, who was Juman's best friend, and told about this to him. So he told aunt, Juman is my best friend. How can I go against him? But aunt told him, you should always stand with truth. So kindly come and talk about this at village panchayat. But Algu did not do anything. He was silent. But aunt's words were ringing in his ears. Yes, that is part 1 of the story. Now let's see what is there in part 2. The panchayat was held the same evening under an old banyan tree. Juman stood up and said, the voice of the Panch is the voice of God. Let my aunt nominate the head Panch. I will abide by her decision. The Panch knows neither friend nor enemy. What do you say to Algu Chowdhury? The old lady announced. Fine, replied Juman, hiding his joy over his unexpected piece of luck. Chachi, you are aware of my friendship with Juman, said Algu. I know that, replied the aunt. But I also know that you will not kill your conscience for the sake of friendship. God lives in the heart of the Panch, and his voice is the voice of God. And the old lady explained her case. Juman, said Algu, you and I are old friends. Your aunt is as dear to me as you. Now, I am a Panch. You and your aunt are equal before me. What have you to say in your defense? 3 years ago, began Jumman. So now Jumman is going to say a story. 3 years ago, began Jumman, my aunt transferred her property to me. I promised to support her as long as she lived. I have done all I could. There have been a couple of quarrels between my wife and her, but I can't stop it. Now my aunt is claiming a monthly allowance from me. This is not possible. That's all I have to say. Juman was cross-examined by Algu and others. Then Algu announced, "We have gone into the matter carefully. In our opinion, Juman must pay his aunt a monthly allowance, or else the property goes back to her." Now the two friends were seldom seen together. The bond of friendship between them was broken. In fact, Juman was Algu's enemy and wanted his revenge. So, hearing to the story, the Panch took a decision that this property was aunt's. Okay? So now, when Juman owns it and if he is not giving an allowance, it is not good. So, they have to give her monthly allowance or give her back her property. So, that is the second part of the story. Kindly read this part, underline the tough words and write its meanings to your notebook. Okay?